Bulgarian split squats are one of the hardest single leg exercises in the gym. And if you currently can't do one, I'm going to show you 5 simple variations to build your strength so you'll be able to do multiple sets of this exercise with weights in no time. For starters, we want to get into a proper Bulgarian split squat position. Put one of your feet up on the bench behind you and then take a big step in front of you so that when you go down all the way to the ground, ideally your knee is in roughly a 90-degree angle. If it goes a little bit forward or a little bit backward, it's okay, don't really worry about it. Just as long as the movement feels safe and comfortable on your joints and you feel all the muscles in your legs working. The first way to make this exercise easier is by simply holding on to something beside you. This exercise takes a lot of balance, so taking some of the balance out by holding onto an object will make it much easier to do a full split squat. On top of using an object for balance, you can also use an object to push with your arms to give you a little more assistance with this exercise as well. This can involve holding on to a sturdy piece of equipment at the gym, or like me, just a 2x4 and then a gentle push with your arm. Still try to mainly push with your legs. Using your arms for a little bit of assistance, you can also push up with your arms off of your leg, as doing this will take just a little bit of the brunt off of your legs into your arms, allowing you to still build some volume and technique of the full movement. And then if you really struggle with going low, you can just simply hold this position for as long as you can on both legs, trying to slowly lower yourself over time and just building the strength in this isometric position. You can also use a lower step or object behind you, as by doing this will greatly decrease the range of motion, making the exercise much easier. And last but not least is just practicing normal split squats without any elevation at all. Simply take a large step in front of you, moving into a slight split position, where when you go down, your front leg is still roughly at that 90-degree angle we were trying to get with that Bulgarian split squat.